You just found the 2016 Volvo XC90. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This sleekly styled XC90 delivers peace of mind, powerful performance, and contemporary panache. Make the most of your family adventures in this beautifully designed and built SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, power passenger seat, wood grain interior trim, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, power liftgate. Don't miss the chance to drive this beautifully crafted XC90. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.